In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in ERPNext. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and organize your work environment, setting up a workspace is an excellent way to start. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear and comprehensive understanding by the end. Begin by directing your attention to the ERPNext user interface. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll notice a floating blue plus sign button labeled New. It's designed to be easily accessible no matter where you are within the software. Go ahead and give that a click. Upon clicking, you'll see a pop-up menu with a variety of options. To find the Workspace option here, you can either scroll through the list or utilize the search functionality for quicker navigation. Once you've spotted Workspace, select it to proceed to the next step. Now, it's time to fill in the details for your new workspace. First, you'll need to assign a suitable title. This is the name your workspace will be known by, so make it descriptive yet concise. Consider something like HR Hub, if it's for human resources, or any name that best reflects the purpose of the workspace. If this workspace is intended for everyone to use, you'll want to check the public option to make it visible across the board. Otherwise, you can leave it unchecked for a more private setup. Next, you'll encounter the Parent Page field. This is optional and can be left blank unless you have a specific module under which you want to group your new workspace. Grouping can be useful for organizational purposes, especially if you have numerous workspaces. The module field is also optional, but it can enhance how your workspace is organized within the ERPNext system. If relevant, select a module that aligns with the scope of your workspace to keep things tidy and accessible. Once you have all these details filled out, go ahead and click Save. This action will create your workspace, but don't worry, there's more we can do to customize it further to fit your needs. From here, you'll want to click on Edit Workspace. This functionality allows you to personalize the workspace by adding various elements that can maximize productivity. Consider incorporating shortcuts for quick access to frequently used tools or documents. Charts can provide visual representations of data, making it easier to monitor trends or key performance indicators. Reports can be added to keep all essential information right at your fingertips. Think about integrating cards for summary views or dashboard-like experiences. Finally, adding HTML blocks can enrich the workspace with customized content or instructions unique to your team's workflow. Remember, a well-organized workspace can significantly improve efficiency, so feel free to experiment with these elements until it suits your needs perfectly. That wraps up our guide on creating a workspace in ERPNext. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this information helpful as you optimize your ERPNext experience. Happy organizing!